Hey guys, it's almost that time of year again, Thanksgiving. Welcome to Shelly's Jamaican Pickle and Lifestyle. In today's video, I'll be doing some Trader Joe's style cornbread. There is the box. I'll be adding my little twist to it, some honey, some creamy sweet corn, milk, eggs, sugar. Stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit your notification bell, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to drop a comment and let me know where you're watching from. It's almost added me an egg and I mixed this, added a little lemon zest to it after beating. I did some warm milk that I will be incorporating in this, and I use some creamy corn in this because that's my business, and a little hint of sugar. Combine all my liquid ingredients together, and then I added in that Trader Joe's cornbread mix. I've never used this before, and I'll see if it tastes much better than Jiffy. Then I added a little bit of oil in it and some milk. Feel free to add melted butter to this. I'll be melting butter for my pot, and I'll also be melting butter to add a little honey and butter on top of it. Lit my oven to 275 degrees. I'll be adding this in. I fold this in, added a little extra vanilla zest because I'm extra, and a little cinnamon. Then I added my melted butter in my skillet in my oven to melt. And then here I'll be melting a little butter to add with some honey to glaze this. So now my butter is melted, and then I just poured my mixture in, added this to the oven, made my sauce on the side by just adding a little bit of honey to the melted butter once this is baked. I love cornbread, and I have other videos on my channel that I've tried to make on my own. With hemp seed cornmeal, I did not like it. The Jiffy, it is okay, but I am anticipating this Trader Joe's to see what it tastes like, and it did come with some little dry corn in it. This is what the finished baked cornbread looks like, and at this point I am cutting in, and listen, it tasted really good. It was moist. It tasted really good. Honey, butter, I did enjoy it. It tasted much better than the Jiffy for me. So Trader Joe's cornbread all the way when compared to Jiffy. I think it's more of a higher end brand than the Jiffy. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit your notification bell. It's almost that time of year again, and I'll be giving some Thanksgiving recipes, although I do have some on my channel. Thank you if you've made it this far. Give the video a thumbs up, set your notification bell, and drop a comment. And your girl had to take a bite so you see. Thank you guys. Stay tuned. See you soon in another video. Please make sure to also check out my other playlist. Thank you.